In the sense, I fear that I'll have a massive breakdown and then I'll be paralyzed to not work at all. And that's a deep fear I have because I derive a lot of my sense of identity from my work. And it's a bad thing to say, but I derive a lot of dopamine from the views I get.
Natural.
From the comments that I get. And it's bad.
नहीं यार, I think it's fine.
हाँ मतलब मेरे को लगता है ज़रूरी है.
Yeah, you know, when this controversy, when I couldn't create content because SC had told us not to create content,
Yes. What will you do?
I was so low. I was so low not because we weren't creating, just because I wasn't working. I'm very used to being at work, keeping my mind active.
Yes.
I think that was the saddest I've been in 10 years because my hands were tied. I couldn't release anything, couldn't work. And also, when you're not releasing things, you're not in touch with where your audience is at. So I felt like I was on an island alone and some plane had to come and like rescue me. That was the feeling.
How did you feel when you put that first video out after the controversy?
I was thinking about the second video.
I get that.
Putting intensity into thinking because also it's such a weird situation, yeah. You know, like we are not PR professionals. I'm an engineering grad. I live life like an engineer. So I had to engineer the situation. And honestly, it was a build back. Like so much has been lost. Feeling very tough and dry now. Now I'm just going to create the content that I really, really want. How do you think journalists feel about you? I have a lot to say like about how journalists feel about me, which I've got to know in the last 3 months. And I think people who can read between the lines understand what happened.
Yes. I know no matter how correct I am, any day can come where I'll become a headline, get tossed around, my image will be in all the news, memes, pages, etc. No matter how correct I am. And might go to jail as well.
Are you ready for that reality?
Yes. Okay. And if I am in this field, I have to be mentally ready. Anyone who is in this field, Ranveer, you'll know this, has to have that very strong army mama mindset that come at me, bro. Come at me.
This is what people don't understand about
Come
content.
at me. But having said that, I also do a lot of background work on any sentence that we say has to have 3 fact-checked sources. Any information that we put out has to cross certain systems and procedures. And I cannot be untrue or unauthentic to the audience that I am talking to.
Yeah.
We have very strong systems to ensure that. A lot of the time, we get a lot of sponsorship deals by very big business houses, and then that narrative, and we've worked also, but then the narrative has to be their way. We have to tell the story that they have to tell. I think news got sponsored by certain very big conglomerates, which only allowed certain stories to be told in certain manners. And that's why you also see a lot of big news reporters leaving news and starting their own YouTube channels. Ravish, Faye, Barkha, all of them have now their own YouTube channels. I love YouTube. I think YouTube is the way forward for any format of content, whether it is podcast, whether it is radio, whether it is TV. There is, I think now in the US, there is 50% of YouTube is being consumed on television. Isn't that beautiful? Like, we have seen when we make beautiful videos, the ones that have drone shots and talks about positivity, viewership is more on TV than on mobile phones. And that was unbelievable for me. But now it is true. I also think that people, you know why I'm saying journalists should learn from me? Is because people pay me. In our last video, we got 1 lakh rupees just as super thanks. 40 रुपए दिए लोगों ने. But which other creator in India is getting direct pay for their content except Kunal Kamra when he puts his stuff on YouTube?
Some kind of crackdown on content creators is happening. Again, what you said, na, ki you need that little mamba mentality, tiger mentality in content. I think most content creators have it. That's how they've reached that point. Families usually don't understand. Families get very scared. But I think we're up against a lot of systems here. So I don't know, how do you feel about whatever happened?
Yes, I think that we are at this juncture in content creation where any media other than YouTube, Instagram is against content creators. Jealousy है, content creators कैसे इतने views लेके आ रहे हैं, YouTubers कैसे views लेके आ रहे हैं. तो एक jealousy है, and there is like traditional media is looking for ways to jump on any controversy that happens for any sort of content creator. And the minute anything happens, all of them will use the faces of the content creators and will try कि उनकी TRP आगे बढ़े, चाहे वो छोटी से छोटी चीज़ होगी, बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ होगी.
Do you think it's a combination of jealousy as well as clickbait? Because when you have a famous content creator's face,
Yes.
you just get more clicks.
I think 3 things हैं. एक तो jealousy है, एक तो clickbait है, और तीसरा चीज़ ये भी है कि अब creators इतने important हो गए ना.
What does that mean?
What that means is my video is getting more views than any traditional news channel. What that means is there was before this सिर्फ एक बार हुआ था जब AIB के साथ सीन हुआ था, है ना, जब उनको लीगल कोर्ट में भेज दिया था. इससे पहले कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स इतने रेलेवेंट ही नहीं थे. अब क्या हो रहा है कि अब तुम्हारे सारे जो if your prime minister is going to a content creator and giving a podcast, that means something. That means that this is the form of distribution that people are wanting. You're idolizing. Earlier the idols were your Shah Rukh Khan, your Salman Khan, big screen people, or your Virat Kohli, or your cricketers. They are there. But a second level of worshipping has also began, which is your content creators. And they're accessible content creators. Like, I can be like him. I feel like this is, yes, very good till the time I am seeing you in a particular way, you're dressing the way I want you to dress, saying the things I want you to say. The minute you say something which doesn't really match what the general sentiment of the public is, they'll hate on you, they'll spit on you, they'll leave. And that can happen anytime. इतना important बन गया है content creation कि अब उसको attack करने के लिए लोग आते हैं.
Hey, if you enjoyed today's clip, make sure you check out all the other clips we've uploaded on this channel. You'll find a clip related to almost every single topic as long as you're willing to search for it.